I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd do a little bit of a different video. I thought I'd take you on a tour of my farmhouse entryway. Yes, your girl Chelle decorates farmhouse in some parts of her home, and I thought I would share with you what I have done so far. This is my entryway and my gallery wall. I get lots of compliments on my gallery wall when people first walk into my home. Even though I'm a glam girl at heart, I truly love the rustic side of farmhouse decorating. I love bringing together colours such as this pop of colour in turquoise with rustic charm. Underneath our gallery wall is this beautiful blanket box that I have had for a few years now. It's from 1825 Interiors and it houses our shoes. It's also a wonderful storage solution for our shoes and a place to sit when we're putting them on. Wall of the gallery wall, I have this beautiful arched mirror, and I've teamed it up here with this bicycle that I got off Amazon, as well as this barn door from TK Maxx. Before I moved into Chelle's Glam Home, I used to live on a farm and it was filled to the brim, guys, with farmhouse decor. When I came into this house, I had a passion for glam decor, and that was the reason I started Chelle's Glam Home. But I love that I can incorporate both styles of decorating throughout this home.
Stranger sound gets around us too. In between our sparks, you come and go like a monsoon rain. You had a show like a lightning bolt. You have it all.
Guys, do you have a passion for different styles of decor, I definitely love the farmhouse decorating as well, and I love that I can incorporate that in this home. I love that my entryway is so warm and cozy and is really greeting people when they walk in the door.
Time just flies when we play and you hide. You come and go like a monsoon rain. You had a show like a lightning bolt. You have it all.
Now, as you continue to walk along the hallway, there is another wall on the right hand side, and what I've done here, guys, is I've decorated my 1825 Interiors buffet. This is like my entryway table where people place their keys and move forward into the living room.
All around there's no one but you. Here, hold my heart. Strangest sound gets around us too. In between our sparks.
Now guys, you know I love decorating with a layered effect when it comes to my decor. I have this beautiful big arched mirror that I got a couple of Christmases ago, and I love decorating it, so I like to place things of different visual heights in front of it.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You had a show like a lightning bolt. You had a show. You had a show like a lightning bolt.
I love how this part of my home flows beautifully from the front door onwards. There's nothing better, guys, than walking in your front door and feeling like you're home.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide.
I've styled my little stepping stool here, guys, with some rustic elements, as well as this beautiful white shabby milk can.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes.
If you've been following me for a while, guys, you know that I have these two beautiful lanterns. That was one of my first purchases from TK Maxx. I love styling them, guys, and I love how they go on this buffet.
How you break inside, you don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me
Leave me a comment down below if you love the colour turquoise. I absolutely love it, guys. It's probably one of my favourite colours, and I love how it goes so perfectly with rustic decor.
Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating farmhouse.
Waiting down the line.
Now guys, if farmhouse just ain't your style, I totally understand. I'm a glam channel after all. If you'd like to see my full Glam Home Tour I just uploaded. I'll leave that linked for you down below, along with a playlist of all my glam videos for you. I just decided to do a Farmhouse Entryway video here because I didn't include that obviously in the Glam Home Tour, and I'm hoping I'm still going to bring you some inspiration when it comes to decorating your entryway.
You're like a ghost in my mind, I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here.
Guys, I would so appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'd love for you to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. And don't forget guys to tap your notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video.
I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart.
So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Now, don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me.